Okay. Hey, what's going to do about business? What's going to do about channel? So guys, today I'm gonna make something like something different. You understand? And you can see the vibe is different today. I can see the energy is different. You understand? So guys, if it's okay, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more and more content. You understand? So guys, what you new one, guys? Welcome to my family, and yeah, join the family. You understand? So guys, today I wanna discuss a topic, which is a little bit controversial. What do you call controversial topics? You understand? I mean, I don't know. But yeah, guys, today I wanna tell you about my top 5 Zim couples. Can I say Zim couples? Nah. What can I say? Okay, top 5 Zim couples on the Zimbabwe. I have a Facebook or YouTube. Let me just say, for social media, top 5, pizza. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna be top 5 or if it's gonna be top 10. But let's just go put it. Just explain why you put it. This one is about card and why you down. You understand? So guys, if it's the first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel for more and more good. Understand? This light doesn't need to stay by. Let me switch it off like this. Yes, I think it's there now. So guys, maybe I can start on, because this one is a freestyle. You understand? Something like acapella. You understand? And I will script that you need. I understand? I will show you whatever window. It's like, why not, man? She's not going to tell on a man. She's not going to tell on a man. But I think today I have to tell you about it. Understand? So yeah, my top 5 my couples and peace of Zimbabwe. Let me start from number 1 or number 5. Let me think which number 1. Okay. So guys, today, sorry to those small couples, my couples are Chabotanga, my chichichi, understand? And yeah, I'm so sorry, man, because today I'm gonna be talking about big fishes. You understand? Big fishes, nyana. You understand? And yeah, and I'm gonna be talking about like the most couples going out to Zimbabwe, the most compared couples, Muslim. Okay, on number 5, this couple Jange is supposed to be on number 1, but according to me, let me put it on number 5. I'm gonna tell you the reason. On number 5, I'm gonna start with the Phoenix. Why I'm saying the Phoenix? I'm saying the Phoenix because, like, according to me, this couple doesn't look like Zimbabwean couple. That's the first thing. And me, I don't love couples not on the room that much. Like, their content is too international. You understand? Which is good. Yeah, they mastered it, which is good. And yeah, personally, I don't like it because I don't enjoy English that much. You understand? And yeah, and they are not too Zimbabwean. First thing, they are not based in Zimbabwe. And the second thing, I never saw them in Zimbabwe. No one's going to Zimbabwe. You understand? So yeah, that's why that I'm gonna put them on number 5. You understand? That's the first couple. And then on number 4, this one, man, is really a bit tricky, man. Number 4 and number 3, it's a bit tricky. And it's controversial. Okay, it's controversial. Or you understand? So guys, I'm going to choose between these two couples. So on number 3 and on number 4, do I choose between Kim Tanaka and Ryan and Agnes. So how am I going to do this? Let us see. Let's choose. Say. Okay. Okay. So on number 4, let me put Rainesu. Yeah. Why am I putting Rainesu on number 4? It's because basically, like, personally, what I think is like Anna Rainesu, they're good. They do their things in Shona. You understand? And everything is fine then about them. The consolation is number 3, Nessa Kimet number 4. But personally, according to me, I knew Dagas was here. If you call it Dagas was here, I knew through Kimet. You understand? So, I mean, personally, to me, the reason why I saw Rainis on number 4 is because they are not that consistent. When I'm saying they are not that consistent, I'm trying to say they don't drop each. Like, for the past few days, I'm watching both drop as well. Because they're keeping content, but like the whole YouTube journey, they don't drop like 4. And the other thing is like their videos, they are too long, I don't like that. Which is fine. Sometimes they make them short, and sometimes like my videos are horrible, like to people who have patience, but to people like us who want like too fast. That's why I really don't. I enjoy, like, I love their videos. I follow each and every step. I want each and everything. So I follow it. You understand? Right? So no matter what you are. But sometimes their videos, they are too long, so it's really necessary. Sometimes they are too short, it's necessary. So I think what they need to master is like part time. My videos are if they wanna go to clinic, like there's this video, for example, video now kind of out, but kind of spa. What you just wanted to show is like, hello guys, we are going to spa. Massage. Just an intro of 10 seconds. After that, we show guys, the spa. A 10 seconds intro again, per spa. Then also show about massage. We'll show 10 seconds. But that whole video, they showed the whole process of massage. What was like, it was boring to watch. Then in the end, was out for 2 minutes. You understand? Which means we don't enjoy that. We don't want to see the whole process. We don't care about that. What we want to see is like, okay, you took 1 hour and you're going to have massage. It's okay, fine. So guys, start going to have massage. It should be 1 minute. Guys, hello guys, how's it? We are ready to welcome to our channel. Shall we have massage? You understand? Going to do massage. Guys, subscribe to massage. More guys, when I'm to massage, more than 30 seconds. Then you pass by promotions a few moments later. The guys start to come and say that with the then I said, not the whole process, like, yeah. That's why I put them on number 4. And on number 3, we have Kimi Tanaka. What I like about Kimi Tanaka is like they're consistent. You understand? They drop. Like we've done guys last month of October. You were so consistent. You're dropping. You were dropping my videos. I'm very consistent. But what I hate also about Kimi Tanaka is like most of the times. Okay, one thing that I like about Kimi Tanaka. Okay, let me start it by saying what made me like Kimi Tanaka more than Raines. So it's like first. I was like Kimi Tanaka before Raines. Maybe I was here Raines before Kimi Tanaka. Maybe the Tango Farah or Raines. Not that Kimi Tanaka. But one day we think I can go far. I don't want to believe it. So there are couples out there who are making content. But that doesn't mean I like everything about them. There's also things that I hate about them. What do I hate about them? English. Do you know okay? We understand what you want to try accommodating all your fans. You want to try like to go international. Yeah, which is good, which is fine. But there are people like us. There are people like the one who is viewing. There are people like the one who is watching right now. He don't understand English. You understand? You are Zimbabweans, guys. Don't understand. You understand? So yeah, they mix. Yeah, that's what good. They mix. And it's nice because many people watch it. Guys, you know our stars go English. I don't get so please try to accommodate us as well. Guys, try to host us as well because this one was English, but we love your content, which is like I also meet the same problem. There was some other problem because you end up being confused when you understand? It's going to create us those diseases, but that's what I hate about Kimi Tanaka. English too much, yeah. English too much, and sometimes the videos they are short, yeah. When it comes to editing, they mastered it. Kimi Tanaka, right? They go straight to the point. Guys, we are going out. They just show you, guys, remember, and now they're now they're out. They don't show us the whole trip, the whole road. Then the whole plate of chichika. We don't care about that. We just want to know chichika magica. Okay, Maguta, fine. Maenda Gumba, okay, Mashanta Uber, fine. We don't want to see you from Cape Town to Mbare, the whole Gino. We don't want to see it. We don't want to see you chowing the bone like a dog. We don't want to see that. So that's what I like about them sometimes. They want to straight to the point. You understand? And yeah. English guys, English no problem there. Do one thing and then number 2 and number 1. Yeah. This one in Europa is like in politics, but yes, it's like something like Zanune MDC. Okay. Number 2, I have to choose between Nyathi and Tytie. Yeah. And personal number 2, I will put Nyathi. Yeah, and Nyathi for now he's trending, he's pushing, he's dropping content, he's improving. Yeah. That's what I can say. But what they need to do is like they have to take YouTube seriously. They have to post on YouTube. They have to know that YouTube pays, man. There's man on this app, man. You understand? They have to be so consistent on YouTube. And what they need to do is like Facebook. So the Facebook, they mastered it. They're doing well. They're doing fine. What they just need to do is like to be consistent by English and to mature it to be they're matured though. But and also they have to push music. For the one on music, they have to do that. And everything about Nyathi for now is fine. I think maybe it's because of the management or what. But as for now, we have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. But as fans, I know I used to hate Tytie. Like I don't hate Tytie. I hate Tytie's behavior, but I love Tytie because Tytie is a very good or a very big content creator. We are not going to content. So Zimbabwe, he's very young. He's at 21. Imagine when he gets to 25. Do you know Ghost Loop in South Africa? The type of content creators don't get Tytie. Ndoko akuende koko. Mune uti mukampa mukana wekuti agadzire drama create drama zvino. You understand? So asada svike koko, but yeah. Nyathi vanofanira kuita che they need to improve. They need to make long vlogs. They need to master YouTube and make nice vlogs. Since they just started YouTube, we don't know yet, and we have to see and give them the space and give them the platform to have opportunity. Chimboti pai zvamunazo to so far. But their Facebook, they master this Facebook. I have a lot of videos today, and what they need to do, they need to go back to their real style, to their real lifestyle content. You understand? Yeah. Yave kumukuku ndezvendobvira ngavaitobva kumba iyo tochenda kubasa kumukuku kuhoki unoita konita wakuhoki vodzoka kumba vana ndifende kumpumalanga kure. They can't do that, but and also we have to see changes in their life. But yeah, that's what I have for Nyathi. And for number 5, number 1, we have Tytie. This one is a very good collaborator. What you just need to do is like you need to change his behavior. You need to know the value of people. You need to value people. He needs to throw away pride. Pride aside. Besides that, he's a very good content creator. This one also motivates me. He mastered everything. And what he needs to do is like he needs to separate content in YouTube from content in Facebook. That's why I find with the generator of views. Tytie 1 hour by YouTube. He's very young. You can't compare me with Tytie. Imagine I only have 4,000 subscribers. What about when I get to 4,000? You see? But that doesn't mean that I'm bigger than Tytie. I'm very smaller than Tytie, but he needs a mentor. Yes, he knows everything, so I don't think it's fine. But when it comes to YouTube, you really need to seek advice from gurus on YouTube. You understand? People, they can't watch content times 2. You want to Facebook, we want to YouTube. They won't come to see it. You understand? So what you have to do is like you have to separate content on YouTube and Facebook. Chat done. Also Facebook they have vlogs. YouTube they have vlogs. Your Facebook they have content there. Chat. So guys, that's what I love about Tytie. There's couple you kicking Tytie and Nyathi wanoita zvavo and Kimetana wanoita zvavo and wana hainyeso let the finish. So guys, I bet guys hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe my channel for more content as well. And yeah, that was the video for today. And road to 5,000 subscribers. If you want more of these videos, guys, tell me down in the comment section. I'll keep on dropping more and more each and every time, or each and every day. You understand? Don't forget to watch my ads. I know my ads, guys, my videos. I know kuti stay back on a video. I'm going to show you pakati. Don't marry. I'm going to pay you to one up, but I'm going to always. You understand? So don't skip them. Don't skip the ads. Keep on watching. Keep on supporting me. I love you guys.